Welcome to my channel, The Life Uncut with YK. Today I just thought of making a small video regarding a motivational kind of video, which will be helpful for many of the people those who want to be a successful person in their life. And if you ask me, you're making this video, are you successful in your life? No, absolutely not. I'm just trying to be successful. So I've just made some 5 points which will be useful in your life too. So here it is. The first and foremost important point in your life to be successful is set goals. So no matter how big it is, how small it is, have goals. Having goal is very important. For example, take a small example. A bus driver starts his bus from Delhi and he wants to reach Mumbai. So we can tell that he started his bus, he starts driving and he reached Mumbai. So his goal is to reach Mumbai, so he reached it. So he's a winner. For example, if you don't have a goal, if the bus driver doesn't have a goal, you should start from Delhi, but it doesn't have any destination. So where is going to reach? Reach nowhere. So you can't tell yourself successful, you achieved something until you have some goal, right? So first important thing is have goal. The second most important thing what I believe is that like don't be afraid to get fail. Never get afraid of never get that fearness of getting fail. See, many achievers in life, whatever they did in their first instance, they failed. Of course they failed. Like we have Elon Musk who failed 3 times in his rocket attempts. We have many failures, and one of my greatest inspiration is Colonel Sanders, who has founded KFC. He has failed in his entire life. He founded KFC at his very elder age. Like it took very long time to found KFC, but he has faced many failures. So don't be afraid of getting failed, because failure will teach you the greatest lesson that nothing else will teach you in your life. So second most important thing is don't be afraid to fail. Third important thing what I believe to be successful person is that don't believe to the people who talk negative. Don't listen to negative minds. See, and if you're trying for something, of course some people would encourage you and some people may not. So don't listen to those people. Just take the and don't even react to them, because reacting to those people is also waste of time and waste of your energy, because they doesn't have any specific goals. They doesn't have any imaginations in their mind that they have to do something in their life. So don't listen to negative minds. Like, see, many people, even you would have come across in your life that when you have started something, people would come and tell you that nobody has done it, you can't do it. When someone tells that nobody has done it, you can't do it, you should be proud that if you're going to do it, then you'll be the first one to done it, right? Unless and until Neil Armstrong kept his foot on moon, like nobody believed that a man can reach moon and keep his leg over there, right? But still, he made it. He made it. The same thing happens. So if anyone comes and tells you that this is very hard, you can't do it, you're not fit to do it. No. It's all about your mindset, and it's all about your positive thinking. So don't listen to negative minds. And the fourth important thing, what I believe is, of course, hard work, which is my personal favorite point. There's no supplement for hard work. So there's a beautiful quote we all might know that no pain, no gain. So work literally hard that you have no time to do other things. Even me, I spend a lot of time in social medias, but still, the time which you spending in social media should be less than compared to the actual goal what you're having in your life. That's the point. So work hard. uh, don't never ever give up. Just work hard until you reach success. May not the first attempt, you might fail, second, third, fourth, just keep on going. The last destination will be your success. So work hard. That is the fourth point. The last point about this video is parents. See, like once if you reach to the level of height, never forget about your parents. And you know what, making your parents proud is one such a biggest thing that you're giving to your parents. You know what, making your parents to walk in society with their head up is the biggest gift that you're giving to parents. And my personal thing, like, just make a note of it. When you see the tears of happiness from your parents eyes, is the biggest day of your life. Like, see, if I hit anyone, like, you start crying. That is tears of sadness or tears of pain. That is common in between each and everyone. But tears of happiness comes only when you do something great. Have you seen this Olympic medalist? Like, when they stand in the podium to wear the Olympic medals, they just cry. That is tears of happiness. Tears of happiness comes when you do something great. So try to see those tears of happiness from your parents' eyes. So these are the 5 points which I strongly believe that will be helpful to be a successful person in your life. So if you like this video, just click that like button. Thank you.